Hello my dear students. In this video we will discuss class 11 mathematics chapter 6 linear inequalities, important points for the chapter summary. First point is two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbol this less than or this greater than or this less than equal or greater than equal form. An inequality means if two real numbers like 5 less than 3 means 5 greater than 3 na, so 5 greater than 3 or minus 1 is less than 3, so this type number or x greater than 5, x less than 3 by 2, x greater than equal to 5 by 2. So if any point you get this less than, greater than, less than, equal to or greater than equal to symbol in place of equal sign, means in place of equation, that is called inequality, means this is not equal. Next point, equal numbers may be added to or subtracted from both sides of an inequality. If any inequality is given, you can just add any number or just subtract any number from both the sides. Okay, you have to do it from both the sides and there is no change in the inequality sign. Third very important point, both sides of an inequality can be multiplied or divided by the same positive number. Okay, positive number, by positive number we can multiply or divide both sides. Any inequality is given, we can just multiply or divide both the sides by same positive number. If it is not positive, means if the negative number, then the inequality sign will be reversed, mean it will be changed. If it is greater than sign, so it becomes less than sign, or if it is less than equal to sign, it will become greater than equal to sign. Means you can what you can do, you can just multiply or divide by the same positive number. Okay, then no sign will be changed. But if you are dividing or multiplying by negative number both the sides, then you have to change the inequality sign. Very important point for the exam. Now fourth point, the values of x which make an inequality a true statement, means what value of x satisfy this, like x greater than 3. Okay, so x equals to, if I put 5, like x is greater than 3, so if I put x value 5, then it will satisfy na. So this is called the solution of the inequality. But it is not only single solution. If I put x equals to 3.1, that is also greater than 3. If I put x equals to 10, that is also greater than 3. Means all these values which satisfy the value of x, means inequality a true statement which make this inequality true for the values of x, that is called the solutions of the inequality. To represent x less than a, when you represent on number line, how you represent, like if you have to represent x less than a or x greater than a on a number line, then what you have to do, because here less than or greater than only, so what you have to do, like this is the number line and let's say this is x, this is a. Okay, so if x less than a, so what you'll do, you'll just put a circle on number, this means this is called whole. Okay, and if x less than a, you will go this way, x less than a, so this will be your solution. Okay, here you have to put circle mark, means that is called whole, and less than a for this to represent this. Now x greater than a, so just put the circle here above a and make it right hand side, because here it is plus infinity and here it is minus infinity, and here we put a dark line. So x less than a, so not a. Okay, it means what, not a and less than a. So less than a, what, up to what, up to minus infinity. And to represent x less than equal to a or x greater than equal to a on a number line, if you have to put, if you have to represent this thing, means with equality on a number line, put a dark circle on the number. Okay, like here we have put the dot, means whole, a small circle. If it is a, so what we'll do here, we just put the dark circle here if it is equality is there. Okay, with equality sign na, less than equal, greater than equal. So if equality sign is there, we just put the dark circle, okay, or dark point you can say. And then if it is greater than equal to a, means we have to go rightward, greater than a. Okay, this is a, so greater than a up to what? Plus infinity. So here this can be represented by this a comma infinity, and both are open. And in this case, if you have to represent, what you will do? But here it is closed because a is dot, it's included, so a included and it's up to infinity. But here a is circle, small circle, it's called whole, and up to left, so this range we can represent as minus infinity to a, but it's open. Okay, this is called open if we put this in small braces. Next point, if an inequality is having less than equal to or greater than equal to symbol, any inequality having this symbol, then the points on the lines are also included in the solution of the inequality. Means on this point, let's say this is inequality less than equal to or greater than equal to, so this dot and this na, so all points on the line is including this point, and all these points are included in the solution of the inequality. And the graph of the inequality lies left when it is x less than 5, means it is less than 5, means here left side. And if it is y less than 5, so it's below. Okay, we have to put this because this is x axis, this is y axis, so for y axis we just put downward. So the graph of the inequality lies left or below in case of y, or right, means if it is x greater than equal to x greater than 3, means x greater than 3 means after 3, so right, or in y greater than 3 means after 3, so in y axis after 3 means upward, so above of the graph of the inequality represented by dark line because all values are included, because this is less than equal to or greater than equal to, and that satisfy an arbitrary point in that part. Arbitrary means any point on that part, like here in this case any point on this number line will satisfy this inequality. Okay, so arbitrary means the point should chosen any point from that part. Next point, if an inequality is having less than or greater than symbol, okay, equality is not there, then the points on the lines are not included in the solutions. Okay, means point on that line means this a, like a x less than a, so we will not include this a is excluded here. Okay, except a means a less than a up to minus infinity, but not included a. So in this case less than or greater than, we don't include point in the included in the lines, are not included in the solution of the inequality, and the graph of the inequality lies to the left in case of x and below in case of y, or right and above of the graph of the corresponding equality represented by dotted line that satisfies an arbitrary point in that part. Okay, so that also satisfies any arbitrary point, any chosen point from that part, like we have discussed here. And next point, the solution region of the system of inequalities. If system of inequalities means more than one inequality is given, then solution region is the region which satisfies all the given inequalities in the system simultaneously. Means if all inequalities are true for that region, then only that region will be called the solution region of that part. Okay, that inequality. I think it is clear to you. So just like and share it to your friends, and subscribe to get such types of videos. Thanks for watching.